Okay, here is the salt. Rub it on my hair, and then touch it to the pepper. And oh my gosh, all the pepper's popping up. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's fully like alive. See it. It's fully up. It's making so much noise. I guess my hair is really saggy. Yeah, you can get on there. Alright, and there is the pepper that pulled up from the plate. That's awesome. Okay, so this is my little PowerPoint that I added in here to show or to kind of explain what was happening in the video. So this is the salt mining activity by me. And so the question is, why does pepper stick to a balloon after it's been rubbed on cloth or hair? And so the experiment that we just did, we took balloon, table salt, pepper, plate, hair, sweater, woolen cloth. And this was our procedure. We put the salt and pepper in the plate, we blew up the balloon, touched the balloon close to the plate and watched the reaction and recorded the results. And it was pretty cool. So hypothesis was that I expect due to static electricity, the pepper will stick to the balloon. And so the results in the explanation was that the balloon picked up the grains of pepper more readily than the salt, and they definitely picked them up. And so the explanation is that when a balloon is rubbed on the hair or the sweater or cloth, it picks up negatively charged electrons from the object. And then when the balloon is put near a neutrally charged surface, the negative electrons are repelled and the positive neutrons are drawn to the negatively charged balloon. So in this, I was postulating the pepper grains are lighter and less dense than the salt, so they have an easier time hopping onto the balloon. Probably also something about the electrons being more readily available in pepper than salts. And then, so these were kind of little visuals of it. So here's the negatively charged balloon, picks up all the negative electrons. See how these positives are kind of missing. So it picks up all the negative electrons. And then if we were to put it over here on the wall, the positive electrons would be drawn to the negatively charged balloon, and the negative electrons would be moved away because when you put two negatives together, they repel each other, and when you have a negative and a positive, they're drawn together, or drawn towards each other. And that's why the pepper was drawn to the balloon, because it those positive electrons were drawn to the negative electrons. And I think that that is everything. I think that's my last slide.